Convince you're alone, but the alarm clock blares despite being off. You stumble around, flipping switches, unplugging devices, nothing works. The clock somehow resets itself and starts ringing again. You suspect supernatural forces, poltergeists, or maybe your phone is secretly plotting. Your cat observes silently, judging, while your dog hides under the bed. You record the haunting for proof. Friends watch, laughing hysterically at you. By dawn, the clock finally rests until the next night. What on? Some mysteries involve ghosts, some involve technology, and all of them involve your dignity getting haunted alongside your sleep.